Have you ever felt scared when someone is being mean? What if I told you you can stop them without fighting, without yelling, and without fear? This is the magical story of a little bunny named Nina and a secret that changed her whole forest. In the Whispering Woods lived many happy animals, but every morning their peace was broken by a grumpy, growly wolf named Grizzle. He teased the squirrels, he scared the raccoons, and he always made fun of Nina, a little bunny who loved to paint by the river. Grizzle's voice boomed. "Look at her with those silly colors. What a joke." Everyone ran away when Grizzle came. No one ever stood up to him. They just hid. That night Nina could not sleep. Her ears drooped. Her heart felt heavy. So she did something brave. She flew on her magical leaf glider to visit the wisest animal in the woods, Ollie the owl. She sat under the moonlight. Nina whispered, "Ollie, Grizzle is so mean I want to stop him, but I do not want to fight." Ollie blinked slowly and pointed his wing toward the fire. There, curled up peacefully, was a soft green snake. Her name was Suri. Ollie said everyone respects Suri, not because she bites, but because she does not have to. When someone comes too close, she hisses, "Hiss." That sound is enough. She never hurts anyone, but no one dares to mess with her. Nina's eyes widened. So she is strong but gentle? Ollie nodded. That is the secret, my dear. Be like Suri strong, without biting. The next morning Grizzle came stomping into the clearing. The animals froze. He looked at Nina. He smirked, but before he could speak, Nina looked right at him. Calm and brave, she said softly. "Grizzle, do you think being mean makes you strong?" Grizzle blinked. "What?" Nina said. "If I do not run, if I do not cry, if I do not let your words hurt me, then what power do you have?" The forest was still. Even the birds stopped chirping. The squirrels peeked out. The raccoons whispered. Grizzle looked around. No one was scared. No one was running. Nina just stood there, like Suri, the snake. Grizzle growled, but he felt small. His power came from fear, and now there was none. So he turned around and walked away. That day, the forest felt lighter. The squirrels laughed, the raccoons danced, and Nina. She painted by the river, smiling in the sun. Children, when someone is mean, you do not need to yell, you do not need to fight, and you never have to hide. Just stand tall, be calm, be brave, like the cobra that hisses but does not bite, because true strength comes from staying peaceful and unshaken. If Nina's story made you feel strong, tell it to someone tomorrow, and remember you have power too. The power to be kind and brave without ever lifting a paw. Now let us look at a few new English words from this story. Hiss, a sharp, soft sound made by a snake when it feels in danger, like this, hiss. Glider, a light, fly-in object. Nina's leaf glider helps her fly through the forest. Burrow, a small hole in the ground where animals like bunnies live. Unshaken, staying calm and strong even when things are scary or hard. Respect, treating someone kindly and with value even if you are different. Thanks for watching, and remember you got this.